Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, February 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So on the US dollar yen, I still think we're in an uptrend. I still actually think this is going to go up and take out these highs before we do see a bigger push down on the US dollar yen. So I definitely am still very bullish, especially on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the weekly is where I got my Fibonacci extension on here from the last push up, projected off the last correction. I still think it needs to take out the high right here, and I still think it needs to bounce off a fib level, which is why I still believe the 100% Fibonacci extension right around the 155, probably 154, 155 area is going to be the most likely place for this to end this push up. So let's take a look at it on the daily time frame. Daily time frame, I definitely have been looking for longs ever since we got this big push up and a break of starts way down here. So definitely still looking for longs in an uptrend. We are past the 78% Fibonacci retracement of this push down, which is a really good sign that it's probably going to go up, take out these previous highs. So I for sure am still looking for longs in an uptrend on shorter time frames. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, this move down does kind of resemble a trend to me, like especially on the 1 hour. It kind of looks like it could possibly be a wave A. This could possibly be a wave B, and it maybe will go down one more time to make like a proper ABC correction, like three waves down, then impulsive up for the continuation of the uptrend. Now, often what I tell my members is a lot of times what we think is a wave B will just end up continuing back up like that. So we do have to be cautious. I mean, I know the trend is up on the higher time frames, so we don't really want to wait for the wave C. I mean, I would continue to look for longs because this potential wave B may not even be a wave B. It may just stretch out to the continuation of the uptrend. So, but taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. Now, on the 1 hour time frame, this is where it does look like a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern, like it could be a wave A. This could be three waves up for wave B. If this makes a big engulfing move to the downside, especially if it breaks structure, then I would say that's the end of the wave B, and then it's probably going to go down to at least a 78% Fibonacci retracement for the wave C, and then continue the uptrend. Now, like I was just explaining on the 4 hour time frame, sometimes what we think is a wave B will just keep on drifting up. So unless you see a big engulfing move to the downside, I would personally not go short. For me, as a more of a swing trader, trading like the 1 to 4 hour time frame, I'm probably not going to go short even if it does make that impulsive move down, because I'm looking for the end of a correction, for the continuation of the uptrend. I'm definitely primarily only looking for longs in an uptrend. So whether it just keeps on drifting up like this, I would definitely continue to look for longs, or whether it does make a pop ABC correction, at the end of that ABC correction, I would also continue to look for longs. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.